Hello guys, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well, and in this video we are going to walk through how to change currency on Qatar Airways, and it will be an step-by-step guideline for you guys. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So as you can see, we already landed in our QatarAirways.com and we need to be explore it to change the currency. So here I am going to book a flight that will be Manila to Italy, and it may be good for us to Italy and Milan, and the departure date will be 17 and return date will be 13, and then continue. Then I'm going to choose the premium for business class. Okay, I think everything is done from my side, and I will click on confirm. When I click on confirm, then I need to be click this search flight option, or you can add promo code. It's totally up to you. If you have, then you are allowed to use this promo code. Now I'm going to search flight. Just click over here. Once you click over here, it will take a while to loading the fact. Then as you can see, this happened on our desktop. So we already get some flight date where it will be dollar. So I am going to change the currency. So for that reason, I am going to click on modify search, or I can go with this one. You can see in here we have three navigation next to the result in the right corner. So here click on USD dollar, and now you can see we can check out by euro, we can check out by pound, and we can check out by Kuwaiti dinar also. So let's go and click on apply. Once I click over here apply, now I am allowed to check it by euro rate. So here you can see my euro will be 1308 euro, and as usual you can see the result. So eventually I hope you understand how easy that process was. I hope you loved this video. If the video was little bit informative, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.